Okay. Thank you. So there is a different syntax for the drop down.
Yeah, different
Okay.
syntax.
Okay.
Up to here, you know, right, Mr. Ma?
60
Just
yeah.
launching the browser.
Implicit, yeah, wait.
I put wait, that's it. Okay.
Yeah.
And this is for navigating the URL.
URL.
Okay. Then after that, see, normally how to click the element? Normally driver dot find element.
Find elements equal
Element of
yeah.
by dot
Then
ID of
by
that
expert, yeah.
and you perform action, right? Click
Yeah.
or you
Click
perform
or
action click na click.
yeah.
You perform action send keys na send keys.
Send case,
Like
yeah.
that, right? This is the syntax for click and send keys.
Yeah.
But coming to here,
Drop down.
Coming to drop downs, okay. 3 ways. Three ways to handle the drop downs. Okay.
Yeah.
First one is by index. Second one is by
Barely.
value. By third one visible text. Okay.
Okay.
These three ways are there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. first I am identify the element. This is the way identify the element, right? Then we perform the action, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then by using
Index.
See, for drop down now. See, first identify the element. Up to now, you know, right?
Yeah.
Then you click on the element, now country dot click. But here, not like that. But you can create object for the select element. Okay. You handle the drop down, right? So you handle the drop down. Must and should be select the object for the select element.
Select.
Okay?
Yeah.
Then select by index. Select by text. Select by value. Three ways are there.
Yeah.
Select by index. First one, select by index. Select by value. Select by text. Okay. Text. Visible text means text both are same. Okay. Select by text. Select by index, select by value, select by text. So first of all, select by index of. Okay. I put one index. Got it, Maslima? First of all, I'll launch the browser. Navigate URL. Then create, identify the element. Okay.
Yeah.
First of all, you need to identify the. Okay. First of all, find out the locator for this one. Okay. Inspect the text. This is a country, right? Now tell me. You can. Which
you can get the.
I can use.
Yeah. You can get the name.
Name is there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Name. Right?
Name is there.
Country. Yeah. By by dot
name.
by dot name. Name. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I am identifying locator for country. Then you perform action, right?
Yeah.
Click syndication not here. You are using select element of
country. Yeah.
Select
by index.
By this is the index. Okay. Now tell me, index means one index, right? One index, right?
Yeah. The first
this
one.
Is a 0. This is 0. Okay. Now it's
starting from Algeria.
Algeria.
Yeah.
This will select. Okay.
Yeah.
This will select. You put 10 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now Arabia will select. Okay, Arabia. This will select. You put 10 like that. Got it, Maslima?
Yeah.
Based on index. This is the index.
Number.
Based on 0 to from 0 to now. Okay. This is the one way. Okay. Then select by value. Means, see, you observe, right? This is, first of all,
name.
First of all, this is a drop down or not? How to identify? First of all, you see the
Select.
tag is select.
Yeah.
Under select option is available now, then only that is a drop down. Otherwise, that is not a drop down. Okay.
Okay.
Select options and you see what is
Value.
this one?
Value.
Value. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
As of now, both are same. In other situation, this is different, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm using value. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You copy this value, select to by value of value. Now tell me which will select this one.
American Samoa. Yeah.
Okay, got it now?
Yeah.
Last one by texture.
Yes.
Text means this is the text. This is the value. Okay. This is value, but this is the text. Outside the tag is there, na? This is the text. Got it, Masruma?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
By 3 ways. You can use any way, your wish. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm calling. Okay. See what will happen. See, 3 values are selected. Okay. Execution is first. Finally, only one value is select, right? Okay.
Ten seconds.
10 seconds.
Okay.
You observe.
Yeah.
See, first one, Algeria.
Yeah.
Then second one,
American
American.
Samoa.
Third one. Yeah, 3 ways are there, right?
Yeah.
You can use any way. Okay.
Yeah.
By,
Got it.
by 3 ways are there. You can use any way. Okay.
So I don't have to do the implicit those, right? I can use the static weight, right?
No, no. all. Seeing purpose, I put not required actually. So
Okay.
slow execution, right?
Okay.
Slow execution, we see which one is selected, which one is not selected. For that reason, I put that as sleep. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, not required. Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me, 3 ways are there, right? Which is the best?
I think I think the index, no, value, maybe value
Yeah.
or text. Text is best.
See, 3 ways are there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, which is the best one? Now tell me, this is the drop down or not, Masrima?
It
This
is
is the
drop
drop
down.
down or not?
Yeah.
See, inspect that element. Now tell me, this is a drop down or not?
It is drop down. Yeah.
No, this is not a drop down. See, this is a
Oh,
drop
there
down.
is no select.
This is
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. Because
so
there is
select, and that select option is available now. Then
yeah.
that is a drop
Then
down.
it will be drop down. Yeah.
That is the that is this syntax will work
For the
when option
options are
this
available.
syntax will work.
Oh.
But
Okay. Yeah.
here, this is not a drop down. Look like a drop down.
Yeah.
Okay. But the tag name is not select under the child tag is not options, right?
Yeah.
So this is not a drop down. Okay. This is not a drop down. Okay. And the select options. Okay. How to handle this element?
Get it from the text.
No. Drop down is not work out here. First of all, one click here and one more click here. 2 clicks. Normally,
clicks.
you find out a X path for this one. Click it. Again, find out X path for that one and click it. Like that. That's it. Okay. No other option. Coming to here. This is also not a drop down. Normally click. Okay.
Yeah.
See, you observe now. This is a
drop down. Select option.
Drop down.
Yeah.
Select and then select options available, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Got it, Masuma?
Yeah.
No, this is also one type of drop down, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Select options available.
This is the by value. What is the value for here?
The text is Afghanistan.
Text is Afghanistan. What is the value?
Value is 1.
1, right? Driver dot find element new select element of select by value means what I will give here by value
1.
by text by text which one I give this text, right?
Yeah, 1 land island. Yeah.
By index means this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So 3 ways are there. Which is the best one? Now tell me. See,
Text.
yeah, text. These are the ways, right? Multiple options available, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In future, one more state add. Obviously, index will change, right?
Yeah.
So, for example, Afghanistan. In future, one more state will add. Obviously,
The
index
text will be
change.
the same, but the right.
Index will change, right? Again,
Yeah.
need to change the index, right?
Yeah.
Again, need to change the index, right? Okay.
Yeah.
For that reason, this is not recommended. You can use, but mostly it is not recommended. Why? Index will change in future.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Second one. Now tell me, what is the value here?
Value is 1, 2. Yeah.
242, right?
2.
Internally, in the database is there, right? In the database.
Yeah.
In the database,
Size.
first.
Yeah.
No. The first row is Afghanistan. Second row is Algeria.
Yeah. Island.
Third row is
Albania.
Algeria. Like that. Got it,
Yeah.
na?
Yeah.
In future, DB reset something. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
DB
Yeah.
changed, DB something happened. Obviously, this value will change, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In any backend changes is happen, na? Obviously this value will change, right?
Yes.
Okay. For that reason, this is also not recommended. Both will work. Okay. Not recommended like that. Okay. Last one. By this is the text, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If database change, anything change, new country add, everything, whatever it may be, this text will never change, right?
Yeah.
Whenever Algeria is Algeria only, India is India.
Yeah.
Whenever India is India, Albania is Albania only, right?
Yeah.
Never change, right? Maximum, right? Maximum probability this text will never change. Country name is unique, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then if so, anywhere the country name is America. Anywhere American is, right? Okay.
Yeah.
For that reason, so maximum this is recommended. Okay.
Okay. Text is more recommended.
Will never change, right? Maximum country name will never change, na?
Yeah.
Country name, these names is never changing, right? For that reason, put like this. Okay.
Yeah.
If this is not work out, you can use index also, no issue.
Okay.
But recommendation wise, this is a
Text.
first priority.
Okay.
This is not working out, you can use second. This is also not work out, obviously you take index.
Go to the index. Okay. Got it.
Got it, Masuma?
Yeah.
Okay. 3 ways is best. Okay. For last one is somewhat in future never change this value. Okay. After 10 years also, Algeria is Algeria only. Never change. Country name is never change. This text is never change. Okay.
Okay.
Maybe this value will change, right? In future.
Yeah. Value will change. Yeah.
Value will change. Index also will change, right? Future 2 more countries added now. Obviously.
Yeah. It will change.
Yeah. That's it. That is the. So how to handle the drop down? This is the 3 ways. First of all, you select object for the select element
index
and pass the locator. This is find out the locator first. Then create object for the select element. Then you perform. This is the 3 ways. Select by visible text, select by text, select by value, select by index. Okay. You can use any ways you can select the value from the drop down. Okay.
Thank you.
See, this is the one side, Masulma. Okay. Okay. This is the yasset.co.in. Okay. This is Indian site. See, here you can select sign in, sign up. Okay, click sign up, enter this information. Okay, select this checkbox like that. You can do this, Masruma, by tomorrow.
Yeah, I can do that. Venkat, I won't be able to do tomorrow because I have like a meeting. Then I'll be late night. So let's do on Tuesday. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll
Simple
practice.
navigating. You know, right? This is a bus reservation. Okay.
Yeah.
Site. Okay. Navigate
I
to
should
here.
do the
Click
sign
on
up.
sign up.
Okay.
Enter the data. Click sign up. It will navigate you to next page like that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Masruma. Yeah. Bye, Masruma.
Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Venkat. Have a good day. Good night.
Bye.